This homemade strawberry ice cream is loaded with chocolate chip flakes, and it is one of my favorite things to make with fresh strawberries in the summer. It all starts with making the strawberries into a thick type of sauce. So you're going to combine a pound of strawberries diced into 1-inch chunks, a 1/4 cup honey, a cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1 medium lemon juiced. Add them to a pot over medium-low heat and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Gently crush them until they are juicy and soft. The mixture should be reduced in half and thickened almost like a jam. Pour the strawberry mixture, when it cools a bit, into your KitchenAid ice cream mixer or whatever you're using to make it, and get it started so it cools about 5 minutes more before adding in the rest of the ingredients. In a large bowl, mix together the chocolate chips, heavy cream, half and half, and vanilla extract. You can get all the measurements for this at SipBiteGo or in the video details, and pour the ice cream and chocolate batter into your KitchenAid ice cream mixer or whatever you're using. This process is going to take about 20 to 30 minutes to churn. Luckily, that's hands-off time, so you can do other things. And then you can enjoy it immediately. It will be more of a soft serve style, but you can still enjoy it then. Or if you freeze it for a few hours to overnight, that will harden up this yummy homemade ice cream. I'm working on developing a few more yummy seasonal ice creams for you to enjoy, so stay tuned for more. Have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!